Good afternoon, my dear brothers and sisters. Saint Paul and Jesus taught their disciples about something. And more than teaching them about something, I do believe there are reasons behind why did they taught their disciples. Balikan lang po natin yung ating narinig sa ating unang pagbasa. Saint Paul in his address to the Corinthians taught them the power of the real Christ, so that in time when people would face another Christ or another revelation from others, they would know that Paul taught them who Jesus was. He taught them and reminded them that I am on top of the super apostles, so that in time that these people will be in front of you, you know that I handled you. You know that I am taking care of you. He taught these people so that in time that there will be tests, temptations, problems, or dilemmas in their communities, they would know how to fight. And they would know that this person, Paul himself, gave them the best to them. We've heard today that this gospel of Jesus teaching his disciples this beautiful prayer that I know we pray from sun up to sundown. Even we close our eyes, even without any copies, we know it by heart. And indeed, Jesus taught us to pray so that we may not undergo the test, but always face the best. Ganito naman po ang nasa puso ng mga taong ito. Tinuruan nila ang kanilang mga alagad upang sa panahon na haharap sila sa suliranin, alam nilang lumaban at alam nila kung ano ang kanilang haharapin, so that they won't be put to the test, but always face the best. And my dear brothers and sisters, this is a good reminder to all of us that the Lord taught us how to pray so that we may experience the best and not undergo the test. And we may say to each other, Father, tests will always be there. And indeed, there is and there will be. May paghihirap, may tukso, may paglilinglang, may mga karanasan na tila tayo ay tatalikuran at tayo ay aalinlangin. But we remind ourselves that Jesus taught us to pray so that we may undergo and experience those tests, and then experience the best blessings of God. Tests will be there, but facing those tests with and in prayer will definitely bring us to the best blessings of God. Jesus taught us to pray so that we know for ourselves that we are accompanied by the power of God. Kumbaga, kung sa panahon na tayo ay haharap sa matinding pagsubok, sa matinding hamon, alam natin na sa kapangyarihan ng Diyos at sa presensya ng Diyos, tayo ay makakalagpas at makakaranas ng pagpapala ng Diyos.